this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Xbox One controller micro USB port. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If your Xbox controller has a micro USB port that isn't working, this could be due to various reasons. I'm gonna showcase some fixes, most of them very simple, and one sort of advanced one at the end to help you address problems with the micro USB port on your controller. First of all, check the cable that you are using. If needed, purchase a new cable. You can find plenty of micro USB cables available on places like Amazon, and swapping out the cable can be an easy way to determine if the problem lies within the actual port or the cable. If you notice that your cable is old, damaged, if you notice any cuts, if it is bending, then it could actually be a problem with the cable and not the micro USB port itself. So always try a different cable first, especially if you have one lying around and you don't need to buy one. If this still doesn't work, then it could indicate a problem with the charging port itself. Next, inspect the port. See if there is any noticeable debris, dust, lint that you can remove from there. So grab a pair of tweezers or something like a toothpick and try to gently remove any sort of obstructions from there. If the port is not making good contact with the cable that you are using, then it isn't going to work. So by clearing out any sort of dust or something that is interrupting this connection, it will help you address the issue with the port. Be careful not to damage the small pins inside. You can also consider using something like compressed air. Besides this, try using different USB ports. So if you are connected to a PC, for example, and you are using the first USB port that you see, try to swap it out for a different one. See if that works. And of course, you can do the exact same thing on an Xbox console. Besides this, if you notice that the port is loose and moving around from time to time, you can try to jam something in between the side of the port. So most people like to pick up a small piece of paper. So cut a small strip of paper, fold it in half, and carefully insert the folded edge of the paper into the bottom of the micro USB port. This will give it some help to actually connect together with the cable that you are using, and it won't be moving around all over the place. Besides this, there's not much else that you can do. Other options besides this would involve resoldering the port, but if you aren't comfortable doing this, then I wouldn't recommend it. At this point, it's better to take it to a professional who will be able to take the controller apart and replace the socket or the micro USB port. But besides this, like I said, you won't be able to really do much. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Xbox One controller micro USB port. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.